All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I'm getting a lot of questions on my new course, and so I thought I would just make a quick video just to answer those questions. I'm sure you guys will appreciate that, especially the people that are interested or on the fence about picking up my latest course, Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Okay, so one of the questions I've gotten a couple times is the difference between the order bump case study product and the one that comes in the course. So while you're logged into the course, you'll notice that there is a video that's titled something like $8,700 in 3 days. And it says case study or something like that, right? So they are in fact from the same case study, but what you're going to get if you grab this order bump for $9.95 is you're going to get a more in-depth, a deep dive into the thought process behind the promotion and how I did things and why I did certain things in order to be successful with that. So if you want to learn more about how I made $9,000 in just 5 days from one affiliate promotion, then I do recommend picking up the order bump. It's not necessary to pick it up. It's one of those just added benefits, and it's a pretty low price tag. So if if your budget allows, I would pick up the order bump, but like I said, it's not necessary to the core training, and also the video that's already in the front end product is definitely good enough and definitely scratches the surface. But if you want more of a deep dive into my thought process behind how I was able to top the leaderboard with a low amount of subscribers and with extreme high conversion rates and just kind of exactly what I did, then it's kind of worth picking that up. But like I said, not necessary. Okay, so hope that answers the question right there. And then the OTO prices and what they are, we'll go and check out the sales pages in just a second as well. But here is full transparency of the entire funnel. So you have the front end is $12.95, and then you have an order bump. You can only pick this up during like the product launch. And if you actually click on the sales page and you go to buy. So if I come down here, I say I want in, and we go and click on the $12.95, right? The front end product, it's going to pull this up, and you're going to see there's the $12.95. And then look, you can add this order bump 9,005 days from one product. So you can actually add that. So it's going to make your price tag $21.95, and you're going to be able to pick that up. Okay. So once you actually pick up the product, and whether you want to go in on the order bump or not, then you're going to have 3 different offers right here. And this is actually called a marketing sales funnel, right? And so it's an opportunity to pick up some products, some extremely high quality premium products that are only being launched at the time of this launch, right? And that's why it's called a one-time offer. It means that this is your chance to pick up these products right here. And of course, the pricing is going to change differently on these, right? And that can be based on how long the video is, or how long the product took to create, the value of the product, and so forth, right? So you have an OTO one of $17 right here. It's easy product creation, is a 20-minute video. The OTO two is a $37 product launch jacking. It's a 51-minute video right here. And then the OTO three is a $67 product to build an audience, 31-minute video. So what, you're getting another hour and a half, almost 2 hours of content. Yeah, that's about almost another 2 hours of content by picking up all this. So someone asked me, what's the all in? So the all in is about $143, right? So $143 if you pick up all of the products right here inside the sales funnel. Now, I have sold products for $300 for just one course, right? That puts it into perspective. I have built a course that has 60 videos in it, right? Over 10 hours in length, and I can charge $1,000 for that course. And I've sold it even when it's on sale. I sell it for $300. So that can put things into perspective for you. The front end is actually 16 videos long, right? So we can come down here and check it out. Right over here, you get 16 videos right here. And this is going to be some of the best training that you're ever going to get for a front end product. Okay. So I definitely recommend going and jumping in. You guys know me on this channel. I'm not going to put out anything, or I'm definitely not going to promote my own product if it's crap, right? I am very honest about even the products that I review on this channel. And so this is going to be a way that you can actually see kind of a day in the life of what it's like to be an affiliate and promoting products and so forth, right? There's, an email list and a YouTube channel and sending traffic and all kinds of different things that you're going to learn. But I have broken it down into 4 simple steps, right? You don't have to go into the make money online niche. You can go into any niche. You can go into woodworking if you want. You can go into swimming, snowboarding, basketball. It can be anything really that you're interested in. We're going to choose a niche right here. Then we're going to find the right affiliate programs, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And then you're going to create content, and you're going to go ahead and send traffic and make sure that you track that, right? It's really simple. Once you learn these concepts right here, you can be an affiliate for any product or any program, and you can go out and start making money. Okay, so if you purchase the front end product, you can't purchase the other, and that's another part about what a sales funnel or marketing funnel is. If I pull this up over here, you can't have access or purchase any of these other offers over here, including the order bump, unless you actually purchase the front end product, right? And it kind of makes sense. This is the core product. Without this product, a lot of this other stuff is literally, it's not going to make sense. You do need the front end training in order for all this to have its extreme added value to the front end. Okay, if that makes sense. All right, so the first OTO, you're going to have a little video right over here. And I apologize, I had a video hosting. And, this is really cool. I like just transparency and being honest with the people that watch my videos and buy products from me and buy, when I recommend somebody else's product and so forth, right? And even myself during this launch, I had a freak emergency accident that came up where it was like all my videos just all of a sudden didn't work, right? And I was using premium video hosting that I picked up tier 4, like $350 or something like that from a dealer on AppSumo. And everything was going great. And that's what I was using to host my videos. And then, of course, the day of my launch, right? I haven't launched a product in months. And the day of my launch, a dealer goes down and all the videos are gone. So that's going to affect your sales because no one's going to buy your product because your video isn't up. And all my videos for the people that bought the course, those all went down as well. Really one of the most unfortunate things that can happen during a launch, but I was not even at home when I learned about that happened. So I rushed home and I moved all the videos to YouTube. And so they're on YouTube right now. And that is because I've got to find another solution. I'm probably going to end up having to dish out the money for a Wistia or Vimeo or something like that and actually just pay yearly. And some of you had already pointed out when I picked up that one-time lifetime deal for a DLO for video hosting that could be risky. Anytime you do any kind of hosting, whether it's web hosting or video hosting for a lifetime deal, it just doesn't work. And one time I did purchase a lifetime website hosting company and it was awful. The site was always down and so forth. So I'm kind of beginning to believe that you really can't buy a lifetime video hosting or web hosting, kind of deal. So if that is the case, and you're going to get serious about this, either just host your videos with YouTube. It looks a little less professional because you're going to have, the logo up here and so forth. So it's not ideal, but I'm going to probably have to get through this launch with my videos hosted on YouTube. So that's a little explanation and a lot of transparency and honesty with you. Okay. So I hope you appreciate that. So that did happen, but I did fix it within the hour. I think it was only down for 1 hour and sales have resumed and so forth. Right. So this is the first OTO. And we are on easy way to create your own products. If you want a way to have unlimited supply of product ideas and unlimited launches, and you want to go to the vendor side of this, like what I'm doing right now, I'm launching a product on Wire Plus, and you have the chance to have a lot of affiliates go out and promote your product to their lists and their channels, YouTube channels, and their audiences as well. And then you get to kind of work together and partner together. It's really, really cool. It's fun. And so if that's you and you want to create and launch your product on Wire Plus or even on another platform, then this would be the right product for you. It is only $17. And I show even one of my worst performing launches of all time, I still profited $875. And you could build the product in a day or two. And still, if you can create that product in 2 days, divide $875 in profits divided by 2, you're going to be making over $400 a day still. So even on the low end, you're going to make, thousands right here. And it doesn't take that long to create a product. depending on how many videos you have in the product and so forth, right? So you can either purchase right here by clicking that, or you can click on the button over here to go check out any of the other offers, right? Okay. So you're gonna come over here and launch jacking. This one it's exciting because this just flat out works if you do it the right way. Launch jacking, I basically have a 51-minute video, extreme high value, right in front of you. I use one of my other YouTube channels that's not as, at this point, it's not as powerful as even LearnWire channel, even though it has more subscribers and so forth. The channel has kind of died a little bit. It's called Teach Me Money Methods. A lot of you are subscribed to it as well. I am going to be revamping that channel very soon, but nonetheless, I put out the product right here on Teach Me Money Methods, and it wasn't even a product that was like a big selling product that day. I call them kind of a flop, right? The vendor puts a lot of work into it, and just for whatever reason, it just doesn't take. Affiliates don't promote it, and it doesn't really make a whole lot of sales. It has low conversion and so forth. This was kind of a low end or mediocre kind of as far as like the traffic and conversions and so forth. And I still made money, right? And I even have that proof over here overnight. So I ranked my video number one, and you can see other people, top marketers and so did also promote this product, but I ranked number one. So there's that as well. I know how to rank my videos, and that helps with the sales and so forth. And then also you can see right here, easy PLR store. I had a 7% conversion rate, and I made sales, right? So I made 3 sales right here. So there's that's like the proof. I've sold over 200 of one product in top leaderboards, but then sometimes you don't do as well. And it's really cool. I think it's actually important that that's part of what I show you in this, is that exactly how to do this and what to expect in the beginning when you have, only 500 subscribers and stuff. You might only make a couple sales, but then it starts building on itself, right? So here's the topping of the leaderboards and so forth. So this one is cool. This one is $37, and I highly recommend this one. It's 51 minutes of me literally sitting down at my desk and showing you exactly how to build an affiliate promotion and exactly what I do in order to be successful with affiliate marketing and YouTube and so forth, right? So I definitely highly recommend this OTO for the $37, okay? So you can click on the no as well and go and check out this one. This one's really cool, and it's the most expensive because this is the one that's going to take you all the way to the next level, and its focus is completely 100% on building an audience, an evergreen audience that will buy from you again and again. But there's secrets to building an audience that will know, like, and trust you and buy when you recommend and so forth. So there is a formula, and that is what I go over in this course. And I believe it's a 31-minute video, but you're going to learn all kinds of different things and how I built multiple YouTube channels, even a brand new YouTube channel right here and so forth. So of course I'm biased. You guys know me. I'm usually not biased on anything when I do reviews, but of course I'm a little bit biased with my own product because you guys have seen me build LearnWire from the ground up. You see the way that I review products and so forth, and I am just being completely honest. And yes, of course, I'm honest even when I have a bias. Yes, I am biased on my own products. These are all top notch. You cannot go wrong with going all in and purchasing every single one of these OTOs. So yes, if it was up to me and your budget allows, I would go all in and get the 143. The link will be below as well. I really appreciate your time. I really value you as a viewer of LearnWire, as a subscriber of mine, and there is a give and a take, right? I can't just always ask for you to buy stuff from me or buy stuff from my affiliate link. That's why I try to come out with videos and tutorials and so forth. That's why I came up with the AI niche website case study, where I've spent hours upon hours building a site and recording the videos and everything. And I'm not really asking anything in return for those. I'm trying to, and that is what I try to do, right? Is balance out the value that I'm giving. And then also, if you find value, then I have affiliate links and I have products, right? But I'm definitely I don't want you to buy this if you're on your last dollar or your last money. Please don't buy the product. Only buy it if your budget allows and your business allows, and you do want to invest in yourself and education so you can take your business to the next level. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this video. I hope that I answered all the questions and that you got a thorough look at what the whole funnel is, the pricing, and what to expect inside Affiliate Marketing Mastery. I hope to see you inside, and take care.